Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your exam results with Pearson, beginner guide step by step clearly. To transfer your exam results with Pearson, begin by visiting the Pearson website. Log into your Pearson account using your credentials. If you do not have an account, click on the register option and follow the prompts to create one. Once logged in, navigate to the exam results section of your dashboard. Locate the exam results you wish to transfer. Click on the relevant exam result to view more details. Find the Transfer Results or Request Transfer option on the page. Select this option to initiate the transfer process. You will be prompted to enter the recipient's details. Fill in the required information accurately. Double-check the recipient's information to avoid any errors. Please be aware of any transfer fees that may apply. Once you confirm the details, click on the Submit button. A confirmation message will appear indicating that your request has been submitted. You may receive an email confirming the transfer request. Monitor your email for updates regarding the status of your transfer. If you have any questions, contact Pearson Customer Support for assistance. That is how to transfer your exam results with Pearson. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.